Go for it. Send it. Oh, sheesh. All right, we're going to talk real big boy machine now. Hey, you want me to help you there? Team Wasabi? Done this before. All right, Phil's doing stuff that I do not approve of here. The wires are hot that he's working with right here.
It's a good day to die.
Well, it is Saturday. Oh, yeah, Tammy, we got a problem. Phil don't want to get off my bulldozer. All right, it just popped on. It's whoa, nice. All right, I got Phil coming over to help me get rid of all these old ballast things. So we are going to put some high, like 32,000 lumens. Oh, I lost the term on my tip of my tongue. You know what I'm talking about. They're bright ones. So hopefully we can get some light in here. It's getting old where you got to use a flashlight. I mean, they kind of work, but they don't put out any light. And there's not much for windows, so game on. Got the man, the myth, and the legend. Legend, Felipe. What do you say? It's about to get real bright.
Mountain's favorite son has returned.
Yeah, and he needs them shades because we're Sharon's in the basement going to flick that breaker on, and we're going to test one of these bad boys.
I feel like I'm in.
It's going to be bright.
Here. We'll find out.
It was bright in Menards at 15 feet up in broad daylight, so it's going to be bright. I got the brightest one. I don't even want to look at it when it pops on.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be bright right here. Come on with it.
Go for it. Send it. Oh, sheesh. It's hot, all right. It's sunny in here.
Let's see how hot.
I know it's too hot, guys. I mean, come on.
There you go.
Not as hot as that DoorDash or that Tractor Dash gal.
Phil said, "Yeah, we're not as hot as the Tractor Dash girl."
Yeah.
Okay, she can leave it on.
No, come on, really?
Yeah, really. If anything, is there another one that needs to go on? Leave it on.
Everything looks
That
great.
one is hot now too.
Okay, leave them on.
All right. Well, he says you could leave it on. All right. We are halfway done, right? we are halfway done.
Yeah, you're doing the hard part, taking the old ones down. And yes, I gave him props that time. I don't always throw him under the bus.
Sure.
And I love throwing him under the bus.
Yeah, I deserve it. That's for sure. Right, we've got some tunes going. Got the second bank going in. You ready for the test yet? Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Ready? Yep. Woo! We got us a pair. Hey, you want me to help you there? Team Wasabi?
Done this before.
Yeah, stilts it looks like. Nice. All right, we are making big progress.
Jam into a little bit of Slim Shady.
Little Slim Shady. Cool. All right, Phil's doing stuff that I do not approve of here. This is hot. The wires are hot that he's working with right here, which I don't like. But he said
Can't live scared. It's a good day to die.
Well, it is Saturday. Oh, there we go. Juice. This is a temporary setup.
Just till we figure out how many lights we really want on here.
We're going to be coming back, or Felipe is. All right. Progress. Getting a new dusk to dawn out here. These don't work, basically. They stay on all the time, so whatever. Sensor's bad or whatever, so we got a new one. It's going to be nice to actually have light at night that works. Yeah, put the brightest one on so if I could see my target at night, so I got to do something. Ooh, that's bright. I like it.
There we go.
There we go. Another success. That's why I bring the kingpin in right here. Bring the man in. All right, we're gonna talk real big boy machine now for Felipe.
Oh, golly.
Woo! Yeah, you wanna fire it up? You know you do. Oh, you gotta go, it's weird, it's kind of wonky.
You gotta push it in.
No. Oh, psst, I forgot the lever. Down. There you go.
Park rock.
You do it now. Oh, yeah.
It's bigger than anything I got at work.
Woo! Here, let me get off the tracks. But you lift that lever.
Yeah.
That fire, and then
This runs the tracks, right?
No, that runs the tracks.
Is this a brake?
Yes, that's a brake.
What's this?
That's cuts everything. That's irrelevant, really.
Okay.
So I'll get off of it. You lift that lever, it engages everything.
Forward, reverse.
There's forward, there's reverse. It's hydrostatic. So the more you pull, the faster it goes.
Okay.
And then it's just a loader.
That's the loader, and this is how you brake to turn.
Yep.
Jam a brake.
And your throttle, if you want to go a little up, is that right there. Lift that loader, just kind of get a feel for it. Hang on, let me get off of here.
Let's see what I can mess up.
Yeah, go mess something up. Woohoo! Big boy toys right here. Oh, special thanks to Phil. He got some electrical work done. That's been on our hit list. Oh, yeah. Cool. He's gonna like that, I guarantee you that. I do want to bring it to his farm. He's got a lot of roads to cut, but probably down the road here. Oh, there goes a mouse. There was a mouse in there. Go ahead, push it in. Yeah, Tammy, we got a problem. Phil don't want to get off my bulldozer. Yep. No, he just wanted to try it out, you know, so he said he was just going to test ride it. And I can't get him off. I can't go near him because he'll like shoo me off with the bucket. He's been on it for like 2-3 hours already. What should I do? All right, I'll give it a try, but just so you know, he probably ain't gonna be home on time till he runs out of fuel in that thing anyways. All right, thanks. Hey, there you go. Now go. He's a quick learner.
No donuts like the lawnmower.
No, no. Although it will, if you're full throttle, it'll spin. It'll spin.
So that I apologize for all the trash I was talking about watching you try to learn how to run this thing because
It's wonky.
Because you want to use your feet thinking it's like a skid steer.
It's not. It's opposite.
It's going forward. You're
It's very counterintuitive. It's very.
everything's backwards.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's just like a
Everything.
backhoe.
Yeah.
Backhoe levers are backwards to me.
Yep.
And so this feels backwards. It's gonna.
The thing is like,
I'm sorry, Joe.
every day I'm in the excavator, I gotta relearn. The pedals are they're opposite, totally opposite of the excavator.
Yeah, it's.
And that even that lever, like you think of your Polaris, machine, you got to go forward to go backwards and reverse with that thing. Yeah, it's really weird.
Like pulling back.
Yeah.
And I wanted to stop, and I wanted to go like that, and made it go forward.
Yes. Yeah.
Right? So that's where that felt backwards.
Yeah, it is.
To me.
It's wonky.
And then trying to remember to go back, and then the brakes. I mean, I didn't even play with the brakes that much. The loader's fine. The loader is just like everything else.
Yep.
But that is definitely.
It's cool though, ain't it, man? It's cool.
Man, it's a lot of power.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and you were only at quarter throttle.
Yeah, well, I didn't want to get in trouble.
Well, true, very true.
The next thing you know, I'd wind up back in Marys County.
Phil came and he's like, "Man, you've been busy." I'm like, "Dude, I'm just starting." I'm like, "Just wait. This whole ridge top's gonna be clean in a matter of weeks or months." But
that is an amazing amount of power, though. It
is. Yeah, it's
just
crazy.
Walk right through stuff.
Yeah, it's insane.
But
and that's what the tracks. I mean, these are totally worn tracks.
But I know why it's taken so long to get used to it. It absolutely is. Yeah, you need to stay on this for a week and save up excavator work.
Yeah, I know, exactly.
Then switch for a week and then go back.
Yep. Sweet. All right, here's a look. Just before dusk, there's the new light. What we're going to do is probably get another one and make them matching. But honestly, I think that new one is going to be plenty bright enough. It has 3 settings, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000 lumens or kilowatts or whatever. But 5,000 is the equivalent of actual daylight. So we got it on 5,000. We'll check back here in an hour when it gets dark. Either way, it'll be nice to have light out here at night and early in the morning when we need it. All right, let's check out the install on the inside. Obviously, it's not dark yet. It's kind of dusk-ish. But let's see what it looks like with the new... Pretty pitch black. We'll hit the first switch. Whoa, nice. And the second, oh yeah, this is nice. You can actually see the mess, but what you're digging for. We're always searching for stuff. These are all our boxes from the move. So we're always searching, and you got to get a flashlight or a spotlight, but this is nice. Huge improvement. Thank you very much, Felipe. Very nice. All right, it just popped on. It's not nearly even dark yet, but it is nice. So we just got to decide if we want to do a pair. Honestly, I think that one will provide enough light for what we need, when you come out at night and stuff. But special thanks to Felipe. We got progress. Big weekend on the farm. Big weekend. Moving the needle in the right direction, and the sun is out, so that's all good.